Hey guys, today I will be opening a little surprise fashion crush. Today's surprises, there is an I Spy magnifying glass, an outfit, shoes, and I think this is the gel surprise. Down here, I don't know what this says. Wait, it says include one spyglass, one fashion set, one pair of shoes, one gel, may contain one accessory. Okay, this is just in different languages. So let's open it. It's going to be hers. I have 4 LL dolls. I really like her the most. Did we get the collector's guide? We got the collector's guide. Let's tear this off. Where's our spyglass? Maybe it's in the next layer. Can't really open it. Can't seem to open it. Okay, we got it. We got golden, and I think we just found the magnifying glass. You can see a pattern on here. There's just A. I think that might be a clue. I don't know. Let's open it. We can check the collector's guide last. Ew! It looks like we got this really little gel. It's not really slime, but it's hard. It's hard slime. Let's get it out. We got the dress out. Oh, it's clear. It's clear. Really cute. I think it's like clear pink, glittery, and it's so oily. Here's our dress. Nothing else is in here. Let's push it. Ooh, looks like we got glasses. That's an accessory. It did say it might contain an accessory. So we got one. Get this yucky gel. That's gross. Ew. Let's check the collector's guide. It's slippery. It's really slippery. Let's see what we got. I know we didn't get this one, but the shoes look familiar. Let's make sure we open it full. Let's see here. Where is it? We've got this. It's a star, so it's rare. We got the rare. Very cool. It's from the Sleepover Club. There's a Glam Club, Athletic Club, and a Swim Club. This is very gross. Has little stars in it. Let's let center stage change. Wait, is it jelly here? No. No jelly, but it's just slippery. It's kind of hard. Let's start with the shoes. Let's put her old outfit here. And her new outfit, she's about to wear. Her sleepover costume. My hands are super jelly. Super jelly. So it's very slippery. There's no jelly in the shoes. That's a good thing. Wait, she's doing the splits. She's doing the splits when I put that shoe on her. That's very cool. Okay, now it's time for the dress, which is very, very complicated to put on her. It might be easy, I don't know. This is very hard, not easy. Come on, we can do it, we can do it. We can't do it. Wait, no, we have to be confident. We can always do it. This is very, very complicated. I think I may need help. Oh no, oh no. Wait, I think I got it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Look, guys. Getting it. Let's push your arm in. Yay, we got it. We got it. Finally. This is outfit. It's really, really cute. Comment down below if you like it. Let's put her glasses on. Wait. Oh, yeah, these don't really go on her. They just go on her head. You can put them on her. Anyways. I finally got them on her. Look, it's like her nose starts on her nose. Comment if you like her outfit. Don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. Bye.